Lesson 3. Fractions. This lesson covers the fundamentals of fractions, including their definition, categorization, conversion, and all 4 basic arithmetic operations. Mastering these skills is essential, as fractions are ratio-based numbers that are critical for success in later algebra. 1. Definition and types. A fraction represents part of a whole. Numerator, the top number, indicating the number of parts being considered. Denominator, the bottom number, indicating the total number of equal parts the whole is divided into. Example, 3/5 means 3 parts out of 5 equal parts. There are 3 main types of fractions. Proper fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator, e.g., 3/4. Improper fraction. The numerator is greater than the denominator, e.g., 7/3. Mixed number. A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, e.g., 2 and 1/4. 2. Essential skills, simplifying and converting. Simplifying fractions. To simplify a fraction, divide both the numerator and the denominator by their highest common factor, or HCF. Example, simplifying 6/8 involves dividing both the 6 and the 8 by their HCF, which is 2, to get 3/4. Converting fractions, deep dive. Converting between improper fractions and mixed numbers is a crucial skill. A. Converting an improper fraction to a mixed number. This process uses division to separate the whole units from the remaining parts. Divide. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Whole number, the result, or the quotient, is the whole number part of your mixed number. New numerator. The remainder from the division becomes the new numerator. The denominator stays the same. Example, convert 11/4 to a mixed number. 11 divided by 4 is 2, with a remainder of 3. The whole number is 2. The remainder, 3, is the new numerator. The denominator stays 4. Result, 11/4 equals 2 and 3/4. B. Converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. This process uses multiplication to gather all parts into a single numerator. Multiply. Multiply the whole number by the denominator. Add. Add the numerator to the result of the multiplication. This sum becomes the new numerator. Denominator. The denominator stays the same. Example, convert 3 and 2/5 to an improper fraction. Multiply the whole number 3 by the denominator 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. Add the numerator 2 to this result. 15 plus 2 equals 17. This is the new numerator. The denominator stays 5. Result, 3 and 2/5 equals 17/5. 3. Arithmetic operations. A. Adding fractions. Like denominators, just add the numerators and keep the common denominator. Example, 3/8 plus 2/8 equals 5/8. Unlike denominators, you must first find the least common multiple, LCM, of the denominators. Convert both fractions to equivalent fractions using the LCM as the new denominator, and then add the numerators. Example, 1/6 plus 1/4. The LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Convert to 2/12 plus 3/12. The sum is 5/12. B. Subtraction of fractions. The rules are the same as addition, but you subtract the numerators instead. Example, 5/9 minus 2/9 equals 3/9, which simplifies to 1/3. C. Multiplication of fractions. Multiply straight across. Multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. Example, 2/5 multiplied by 3/4 equals 6/20, which simplifies to 3/10. D. Division of fractions. To divide fractions, you use a simple rule: multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal means you flip the second fraction, which is the divisor. Example, 3/7 divided by 2/5 becomes 3/7 multiplied by 5/2, which equals 15/14. 4. Exercise module, Q41, Q60. Now let's apply these skills. Here are the first 4 practice questions. Question 1. Simplify 14/21. This tests simplification. Question 2. Convert 9/2 to a mixed number. This test is improper for mixed conversion. Question 3. Convert 4 and 3/5 to an improper fraction. This test is mixed with improper conversion. Question 4. 3/4 plus 5/4. This tests addition with like denominators. We encourage you to complete the remaining exercises from question 45 through question 60 to fully solidify your understanding of all four operations and conversions. 5. Summary/takeaways. Fractions are ratio-based numbers. Mastering them cleans up your algebra later. Every denominator you fix now saves you pain in equations.